Hello everyone, today we are Group 10 and we will be presenting our project titled Fuel Oil Distribution Depot. Before we continue with our presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zulhuzaimi bin Jamaluddin and my team member is Azwan bin Ramli, Nur Ilham, Muhammad Shazurul Hisham, Ashraf Naim and Saidi Shahizad. For Sodor 1, this project is a large-scale industrial oil terminal development designed to support critical infrastructure such as storage tanks, jetty structures, piping, network electricals, and instrumentation system and firefighting facilities. So due to the size and complexity of the project, a structured project management approach is essential to ensure the work is completed safely, on time and within budget. Therefore, the project was planned and scheduled using Microsoft Project to organize activities, manage dependencies, allocate resources, and monitor progress effectively. So the project is scheduled to start on the 2nd of June 2025 and is expected to be completed by 8th of October 2027 with a total duration of 123 weeks and estimate total project cost is 7.361 million. So the scope work is planning, design and procurement followed by construction activity include civil works, tank, jetty, construction, mechanical, piping and instrumentation on installation as well as testing, commissioning and safely installation. So overall, the main objective of Sodor 1 is to deliver the project on time within approved budget while maintaining high standard of quality and safety.
Hello, my name is Saidi Shahizad bin Shamsuddin. I want to explain about Project Sodor 2, Materials and Contractor Procurement. Project Sodor 2 focus on the refining the procurement strategy by establishing a transparent and systematic vendor selection process. The selection of suppliers and contractors is based on a strategic balance between competitive pricing, high quality ratings and efficient delivery timeline to ensure the project critical path remains unaffected. Okay, for material supplies, Mitsui from Japan was selected for pipes and valves due to their low cost and fast delivery, while Stockist A from UK and Stockist C from Germany were chosen for electrical and mechanical equipment based on their superior quality ratings and short lead times. Okay, for regarding contractors, international firms such as CM12 from France for tankage and Daelim from Korea for piping installation were appointed for their high performance and reliability. All procurement data has been integrated into the Microsoft project schedule and cost model to ensure precise financial and time management. Next, I want to present about project status update execution strategy, which is for Sodor 3, represent a major infrastructure investment totaling 3.27 billion euro with a project duration of 143 weeks, scheduled to run from February 2025 to December 2027. Okay, the primary objective of this phase is to improve schedule accuracy and finalize the project baseline plan. Next, I want to present about project status update execution strategy, which is for Sodor 3, represent a major infrastructure investment totaling 3.27 billion euro with a project duration of 143 weeks, scheduled to run from February 2025 to December 2027. Okay, the primary objective of this phase is to improve schedule accuracy and finalize the project baseline plan. A key strategy improvement in this phase is the separation of mobilization from the installation stage to prevent operational overlaps. Okay. Additionally, dependencies have clarified to significant reduce potential delays. Okay. The delivery of critical components such as pipes and valves is managed is two stages, moving from a simple to complex over a 35-week period. These measures are designed to keep the project within the budget, minimize the need for overtime, and ensure the cost model reflect actual expenditure rather than just initial estimates.
Okay, now about the project control report, Saudara 4 at the week 25. For the project status, the project start to June 2025, the current duration 116.5 weeks, and the forecast completion 25 August 2027, and the schedule reduced through fast tracking, selective pricing, and improve the sequencing. For the schedule and cost control, the Saudara 4 have a new baseline established in the Microsoft project. For example, time now set at week 25, and the head office work reduced 16 to 10 weeks. This is 6 weeks save. For the supplier performance and the action, pipe work and fittings delay in 2 weeks, so there is mitigate with the 5% premium. Instrumentation and electrical 4 weeks delay, avoid via the fast delivery 5% premium. And the mechanical equipment, French the approved 25% premium to protect the commissioning. And the steelwork, low risk and no action required. And the firefighting equipment 5% premium, no schedule impact. For the contractor performance, work execute parallel in the project duration governed by the critical part, not the contractor summary. Tank, jetty, and the civil works accelerate through the overlapping activity and the parallel crew. And the last is electrical and the instrumentation installed using the partial and over strategy. So the total, the current duration for the Saudara 4 is 116.5. Thank you.
So for season 5 of the Saudara 5 project, this review focused on the project status at week 45 and the key decision made based on the performance data. So overall, the project is progressing in line with the approval baseline. Early planning, design review, approval, and coordination activity we complete as scheduled, while procurement and early construction work such as a jetty tank design and civil foundation are currently underway. So the main challenges identified in the season 5 was supplier delivery performance. To manage this, the team adopt fast delivery and early access strategy, allowing installation work to start before full delivery we complete. So this approach successful prevented delays to the critical path and the overall project duration. In terms of cost, supplier related one confirmed 12% escalation. So as a supplier change, we are not allowed the team focus on improving schedule efficiency through parallel researches and earlier installation activity. As a result, the total project cost was controlled and finalized at 2.29 billion euro without affecting the completion date. So jetty construction was also optimized by balancing early completion from high-performing contractor against delays from others, ensuring no impact on the project timeline. So in conclusion, despite supplier and cost challenges, the Saudara 5 project remain on the track to be completed on 16 June 2027 within the approved schedule and budget.
Next, I will present key outcome of Project SODOR 6. First, the projects of SODOR 6 are successful achieved its planned duration, duration was 91.17 weeks, which align with the original schedule target. Second, effective scheduling strategy to contribute significant to this project success, which is deliver supply with installation and finishing works, no crashing and no critical activity, recover time lost from early delay. So lastly, strong risk management and coordination for the smooth successful project. In conclusion, to proactive scheduling, supplier management and risk control were the key factor to achieve the project timeline.
Hello, I am Ashraf Naim. So I will explain and present about the drawing offshore oil and gas production platform. So a fixed offshore oil and gas platform used for hydrocarbon extraction processings and export in shallow to medium water depths. So a structure built in the sea to extract oil and gas from underground reservoirs, installed in shallow to medium water depths, and supported by a steel jacket fixed to be seabed. So next, I will explain the level one plan Revit or layout for these drawings. So for the level one, the main focus is the main working and processing level of the offshore platform. It's focused on oil and gas processing activities. House major process equipment, such as separators, pumps, and pipelines. So provide space for material handling and equipment installations designed to support heavy loads from machinery and operation. So this is a level 3 plan Revit. So this level of the offshore oil and gas platform mainly focus on lifting, access, and support activities. It accommodates crane structure that are used to lift materials, equipment, and supplies from supply vessels to the platform. The layout provides clear open space to allow safe crane operation and movement of loads. In addition, this level includes access area and structural elements that support the cranes and transport loads safely to the main structure. Overall, this level plays an important role in logistics, construction, and maintenance operation on the offshore platform. So this slide presents about the walkthrough for this platform. So the walkthrough at level 1 of the depot is designed to provide safe and clear movement for workers during daily operations. Personnel enter the level through designated access points and move along mark walkway that surround the equipment and depot area. These walkways allow workers to inspect equipment, carry out maintenance, and monitor operations without interfering with crane or lifting activities. And rest and clear paths are provided to ensure safety, especially when heavy equipment is operating nearby. Overall, the level 1 walkthrough ensures smooth, safe, and efficient movement of personnel within the depot area.